Hi! In this video, we are going to talk about eSkoops and how it can help you drive engagement and learning. Coming to the key features of eSkoops. First of all, it is not an application. It is just a web-based platform. That means users do not have to download anything at all. So that's why it is a very light platform, which anyone can use on their phones as well as on their laptops. Coming to the process of using eSkoops. We have a 3-step process. You will have to log in, select the game that you want to run for the program, and then you have to share the link with the participants for them to play. The best part is we have a marketplace, in which we have pre-made games, quizzes and polls which you can directly access and use it, based on your preference or your event. We have a few features that we'll cover. You can run challenges that drive engagement in which people might have to upload their pictures as well. We also can run quizzes and games on the same platform. With this you can induce learning as well as engagement at the same time. And we have a live leaderboard also. It is a place to create top-notch excitement when people play these quizzes, games and polls. Last but not the least, we have a section called Gallery, in which you can access the media that was uploaded by participants or by the users while playing this entire intervention. The best part is that we have round-the-year engagement. That means it is not just restricted to just one event or 1 month. It can be used all across the year for driving learning initiatives, fun games, polls and engaging staff on special days. Now, let's go through the eSkoop demo in the coming video.